This is one of my best installs because this looks good.
So it's your girl j.sym back with you, feel me and my PMS pimples. So today I'm going to be doing this glueless wig install with this wig that I got from Elfin hair. I've had this for almost a year now, and I also did another review on their wig, so you can go check that out. I had this wig on in my header, and I also did my very first YouTube video with this wig, so go check that out too. Because I really like hair from this company. It always seems quality to me and lasts such a long time. So the first thing I did is just slick my edges back with some Shine Jam, and a major key other than the elastic band that you saw attached to the wig earlier is these elastic bands in the back. I pull them basically as tight as they will go, and like a lot of times I'll even cross them and hook them, but here I just hooked them on the same little loop that's in the back. And yeah, there you go, the elastic band that I sewed on myself. I'll do a video about how to do that later when I get me a new wig. So yeah, I'm just about to put it on. And how you first put the wig on is major key, so like just pay attention to that. You want to make sure that none of your lace is like, because when you put the elastic band on, it's supposed to keep the lace taut. And so when you put your wig on, you want to make sure that none of the lace is like folded under, because that way your lace will not lay that flat. And also you want to make sure it's pulled back in the back. And you want to make sure your ear tabs are pulled down, and you separate. Since this is a wig that I've already like customized everything, just want to pull in the ear tabs down to make sure that I have the little sideburn baby hair separate from the rest. For my glueless wig installs, I like to use a foaming wrap mousse, because between the tension from the elastic bands and the mousse giving you a light hold, it's just what makes the frontal lay flat. And then you'll see in a little bit that I'm going to use some Got To Be Freeze. I only used that this time because I wanted this wig install to last like a week or whatever, so I used that to give it a little extra security. But I've definitely done a glueless wig install just using the foaming wrap mousse. And here you just see me brushing the little flyaways and the baby hairs out the way for now, and then we'll just mold them a little bit later. I really love these little wrap papers. They work really well to me. And so after you blow dry it to dry or whatever and take those off, the hair is going to be a little hard. So what you're going to want to do is get a comb or whatever and just basically break the cast on the hair and comb it out. And now you'll just see me use some more Got To Be Freeze to lay down the sideburns. I feel like I use just a little bit too much here because I end up having to like clean my face off. But yeah, but you still want to use a generous amount so that it lays. Another reason I feel like I used too much is because after I got done blow drying it, I had to comb the sideburn back out so that the hair wouldn't be stuck together. But just use a little bit less than I did and use the tail of the comb instead of the whole flat part to lay it down, and that should help it turn out a little better. Now we're just going to take some alcohol and a Q-tip and clean up the little bit of the residue from the Got To Be freeze. You can also use witch hazels. Both of them work. Witch hazel is probably a little bit less harsh on the skin, but alcohol cleans it up a little bit faster and better in my opinion. If you notice any lace that still isn't laying down as flat as you want it, just take some more Got To Be or some mousse on the edge of a rat tail comb or edge brush and just go ahead and smooth that out the rest of the way like that. You probably noticed already, but I do not bleach my knots. I feel like my powdered makeup will cover up the knots as much as I need them to for my wig to look realistic. I would much rather not worry about my hair coming out as easily just because I bleach my knots, because I feel like it makes my wig last longer. And I just feel like it's not that necessary. In my opinion, I don't think I had the patience to do it either. So yeah. That's why I don't bleach my knots, and I just take some of my finishing powder that I use on my face and put it around the lace just to help it blend a little more. Now we're going to take some more alcohol and a cotton pad and use that to press the makeup into the lace and make it give more of that melted look. And it makes sense because if you've ever broken some powdered makeup, you use alcohol to make it clump back together. And we all know, and if you don't know, when it comes to styling, I feel like you could probably use it on your real hair, but especially on your wigs, the wax stick is the go. And I know I did not show you good what kind of wax stick it is because every wax stick does not work the same. So I'll leave that in the description box. Now when it comes to molding the edges of your lace wig, I feel like mousse works the best in my opinion. And if you notice, the whole reason I do glueless installs is because my hairline comes down pretty far, and so some of my edges end up sticking out the front of the lace. The glueless install helps to protect those, and later I use like edge booster to help style my edges. To put some flexi rods in it because I've put heat in this hair before to like curl it, but being that it's blonde, I kind of put that much heat, and so I don't feel like curling it either. So I'm just gonna put some flexi rods in it, probably dampen it a little bit with some mousse, probably maybe 4, because I don't want the hair to be too wet. Just damp enough where when I put the flexi rod in it, I don't want it to take too long to dry either because I'm gonna be at work in a few hours. I've been fasting till 12. It's about to be 12 now, so I'm just gonna basically finish this and make me some food. I plan on doing a try on haul because I bought a bunch of clothes from Shein. They're actually a big old box. It's actually right there. Before I go to work, I will take these down and show y'all the finalish look. This is pretty much final look. I like to do minimum baby hairs. One, because I feel like it makes people guess more. She wearing a wig? I mean, I feel like obviously wearing a wig, but then it'll be like, oh, her wig looks good. Not that baby hairs don't look good, because I usually just not know how to do them. But I don't know. I like the look of minimum baby hairs. And that's just me personally. And I used to be scared that I was gonna make the lace come up. I just kind of did. That's why I didn't try and do them too heavy, especially since I have like a glueless frontal. But I am satisfied. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of spritz on it. To me, when you do your brows, it makes it seem like your face is a little bit more lively. I don't know. Like, not even doing them, just filling them in some, make them look a little darker. It just makes them look more done and your face look more lively. Because I'm not about to put any other makeup on. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. So, this is the final look.
Hopefully we get a thumbnail. Ah!
I don't know what to do. Cause I just want to make sure. But like, how many different ways can you move in a chair? In a chair that doesn't move. My ponytail is popping. I'm gonna be so cute at work. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm really proud of this install.
I did the thing. I did the thing.
Okay. I hope this video was helpful to you.
Let me start over.
I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Okay, but I just want to make sure I got the cute footage, you know, for my little mini intro with music. I don't know what you be calling it.